The wait is officially over. Years of planning, hard work, and rigorous construction have culminated in a brand new state-of-the-art facility for local law enforcement to better protect us.
Yeah, their new home is a testament to the Wicomico County Sheriff's Office's unwavering commitment to serving their community with excellence and care. And the good news now is that you've got a chance to take a trip there for yourself. Now, you don't have to worry. You can check the place out without a pair of handcuffs. Okay, so here to extend the invitation this afternoon is not other than Sheriff Mike Lewis of the Wicomico County Sheriff's Office. Welcome.
Good afternoon. Thanks for having me on the show.
So, wow, it's finally here. How long has this been in the works?
7 years in the making.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. I think most people know former county executive Bob Culver gave us the green light to move forward with building this new facility. The old facility was completely outdated. It was leaking, it wasn't storm-proof, honestly it wasn't weatherproof. It was leaking everywhere, and we had to cover our computers and some of our equipment with plastic every time we knew we had a storm coming in. So I'm very, very fortunate, very blessed for Bob Culver to give us the green light, but we also had the unconditional support of the men and women of the Wicomico County Council. From day one, they supported this endeavor. Our county executive carried it forward, gave us the green light. The budget, as you well know, far exceeded what we originally anticipated, but COVID hit. And then we had a supply and demand issue. And we continue to move forward and work on this facility with then the appointed county executive, John Pasota, and then with the new county executive, Joy Giordano. She continued to support all of our efforts and continue to make sure that we were getting what we needed to bring this project to fruition. So to say we're happy and thrilled is an understatement. You made a comment a while ago, Lisa, about the unwavering commitment, and that's truly what it is. This is a true community facility. And I've made that very clear. I want all of our fraternal organizations, our fire departments, our chiefs associations to know that they can have their meetings, their monthly meetings in our new facility. And almost everyone has taken me up on that so far. Been a lot of meetings in that building so far. We have plenty of room for everyone. We have plenty of room to grow. This is easily a 50 to 60 year facility, and it's state of the art. There's nothing quite like it around here.
Yeah, so talk about some of the things that you have in it.
Well, there are 186,000 blocks in this building blocks inside this facility. And the building blocks themselves are bullet resistant. They're special made, they're not hollowed out, they are filled with concrete and rebar and mesh, and then all the glass is bullet resistant. Now, I won't say what will be stopped and what could be stopped if it were fired into this glass, but I'm here to tell you that we made sure with today's high-powered rifles that our men and women were protected in this facility. This is the first true public safety facility that we've ever had here in Wicomico County. So the men and women in this facility, it's like coming to work to a brand new job every day. It's been a great recruitment tool. We have seen that so far, and it's been a great retention tool. We have seen that so far, and the number of employees that have changed their mind are going to stick around. So that's a good thing. And that's exactly what we had hoped for, a good recruitment and retention tool for the men and women of the Wicomico County Sheriff's Office.
Sure. So you're going to let the public see it, an open house. Tell us what we can expect there.
As you know, Steve, this is going to be an exceptional open house and ribbon cutting that is going to occur on Saturday, October the 4th. We're going to commence right around 10 a.m. We're going to try to conclude somewhere around 2 p.m. But I've already told my guys, expect this to be a full 8 to 10 hour day because I've heard from many people across the country that are coming to this, that want to come and celebrate. And of course, we sent invitations to every sheriff across the state of Maryland. And I know we have a lot of people that are coming in, flying in specifically for this event. And the public can expect to see a number of helicopters on display, including the Maryland State Police Aviation Command, including the Natural Resource Police. They have a brand new helicopter. And we're going to have canine demos for our children. We're going to have deputies that are actually going to be cooking hot dogs for those in attendance. We're going to have food trucks for those in attendance. We're going to have a number of activities for our children. But what they can see, I believe, from the citizens here in this county is a great sense of pride from the second they walk through that front door. They're going to be like, wow, this is what our tax dollars paid for. And I make no bones about it. This was an expensive venture. but you cannot put a price tag on protecting and securing and keeping our children safe in Wicomico County. And as you well know, all of our middle schools and high schools here in Wicomico County have sheriff's deputies positioned and stationed in those schools. And you can't put a price tag on safety.
No.
Without public safety, nothing else really matters. You've got to have public safety.
All right.
And working with our allies in this county, I think we have a strong united force to do just that.
All right, and of course, as he said, the open house is happening on October 4th. It's a ribbon cutting and ceremony, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The Wicomico County Sheriff's Office, its new location on Westwood Drive in Salisbury. And as you said, you can get a deputy dog.
We'll see you there.
The hot dogs served by the deputies. I like that.
I like that too.
All right, thank you so much, Sheriff.
Thank you both so much.